In this guide, I'll show you how to fix a Telegram bot not working. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your device, whether you're using an Android phone or iPhone. Once you're in the Telegram app, look for the Settings menu. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Storage and Cache, or something similar. Within the Storage and Cache settings, you'll see an option to clear cache or clear Telegram cache. Tap on this option to start clearing the cache data associated with the Telegram app. Telegram will ask for confirmation before clearing the cache. Confirm your action by tapping on Clear. After clearing the cache, exit the settings and close the Telegram app completely. You can optionally restart your device. Then, relaunch the app to see if the issue with the bot not working has been resolved. Clearing the cache in the Telegram app is a simple solution that often fixes various issues, including problems with bots not working correctly. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.